Tinker. This is Tinker and Fuki. They're our cats that came in from Panama. They just found something very interesting to smell over there. What are you guys doing? You're gonna watch the parakeets? Come on. I have your brush here. I have your brush here. Who wants the brush? Come on, Fuki. You like that. You like the brush. Come over here. Come on. Come on. Look who that is. So these guys are, I can't do both here, so these guys are very nice. Fuki is friendlier than Tink. Hey, Tink, Tink. But they're both really coming around. I mean, for having traveled internationally and never been here before, they're doing really well. They're eating, they're voiding normally, and they're nice cats. Come on, Tink, Tink. Tink's a little shy still. Yes, that's little Tink, Tink. Yeah, you like the brush too. Yes, you do. Come here. He can't get you. Come here. Look at you guys. Look at you. Look at you. You like that? Look at Tinker. Look at Tink. There's a lot of birds for them to watch. Chipmunks and squirrels from their window. They have a great suite, connecting suites. And you can hear the parakeets, and they're right outside their playroom window here. And they also like to watch the parakeets. Ah, Tink, Tink. Tink, Tink. Come on over here. Pretty. All right. Where are you, Fuki? You're sitting right behind me. There you are. There's Fuki. Yes. So they're doing well. Don't worry about them. Yes.